Affinda's AI platform eliminates the grind of manual data entry by automating document processing with speed and accuracy for any document type. Here you can see what's called a workspace. Over here on the left is a little something I prepared earlier: information extraction models for invoices and tax assessments. You'll see where that comes into play in just a moment. We'll start this demo by uploading a new file. Affinda can tell that this PDF includes 3 different document types and automatically splits and classifies them. It does this by using a combination of AI models. Pretty cool, huh? It has identified that one is an invoice and one is a tax assessment, but there is one more document of a type it has never seen before, so it has left it unclassified. Let's take a look at all 3 documents. What you can see now is what we call our document validation interface. Here you can review the data extracted from each document and make corrections wherever needed to make sure the information is 100% accurate every time. For this tax invoice, all the information has been accurately extracted. All the fields have been auto-validated, as indicated by the green lightning icon against each field. This auto-validation is enabled by pre-configured validation rules, such as the invoice date, ABN length, and calculation accuracy. As all checks pass, this document will be processed without any user intervention. We call this straight-through processing. With straight-through processing, you save 100% of the time taken to manually extract information and enter it into your system. It's a massive productivity booster. Next, we'll look at the notice of assessment. We can see that a rule has failed on the tax period end date as the document isn't from the last 12 months, which was a validation rule that we had set when configuring the model. By including validation rules like this, we ensure that the documents and data meet your business requirements. Documents failing these rules could trigger a new action, like prompting you to request a more recent tax assessment from the client. By setting rules like this for your model, you effectively teach Affinda to alert you and your staff when the documents need human intervention. For this demo, we'll reject this document from processing because we want to go back to the client asking for their most recent tax assessment. Lastly, we have a bank statement. Why didn't Affinda automatically identify this document type? Because for the workspace in this demo, we haven't pre-configured the bank statement document type. We're purposefully showing you this so that we can now show off one of our platform's most impressive capabilities: building new document processing models in a matter of minutes. Whereas other document processing solutions need to be trained on hundreds of sample documents, a process that could take weeks for each document type, Affinda can learn how to process a new document type in a matter of minutes. Let's see that magic. To demonstrate, I'll create a new model for bank statements using this single sample document. After we click on Add New Document Type, Affinda automatically identifies that it's a bank statement and provides a description for classification purposes. Then, I simply hit Continue. Next, I want to decide which information Affinda extracts from the document. I can do this by either letting Affinda suggest fields or by manually adding them myself by drawing boxes on the document. For instance, when I draw a box around the client's name, Affinda correctly determines the field name and data type. Similarly, when we add the statement end date field, Affinda correctly predicts the field name and identifies the data type as a date, standardizing it into a consistent format. I want to show you one last cool feature. Typically, intelligent document processing tools find it very hard to extract information from tables. But with Affinda, we can configure and extract this entire transactions table in a matter of seconds, simply by drawing a box around the whole thing. The model not only recognizes that it's a table, it also determines the relevant columns within the table. Amazing. With all fields correctly identified and added, we'll finish the configuration, verify the data, and confirm the document. The document is then automatically added to the model memory, so that next time it sees a bank statement, it knows which information we want it to extract and will do it without needing any further guidance. With the Affinda platform, automating documents has never been faster or easier.